I think zizinto zintathu from the district office esinqwenela uzithetha apha kule consultation ye-Wesley Guild kuku-acknowledge umsebenzi omhle owenziwa yi-Wesley Guild. Sixeleke nakwezo ndawo sidinga izakhono zabantu abatsha. Eyokugqibela zi-5 imperatives that match kwi-Mission Congress. Kodwa na njengomntu ebefudule lapha ndicinga kubalulekile ndithi halala kule 25 years. Ndinomnqweno hlathi ukhwelo loba ngaba. We are celebrating 25 years of consultation. But those who have been here longer, nabo gaba kamandi, will tell you kukwisekete kwakuthiwa ngu-105. Way before kube nentshukumo okanye i-consultation, and iigilders zazikhona kwigama lethemba, ayithi into yoba ngaba zazingekho. So kuyenzeka uba ngaba ke sisisithili sekapa lethemba iminyaka yethu ingaphezu kweminyaka 825. Mhlawumbi ke le ngingqini lapha kukho abantu abanezakhono nobhala kunye nekomiti zokuchola benze research, mhlawumbi basincede sazi into yokokuba ngaba esi sithili saqala nini kuba khona le movement ye-Wesley Guild. Ubishop ke uthe mandidlule kule nto into yokuba ngaba this is one movement esincedayo kwesi sithili sekapa lethemba uba ngaba u-40-20 policy sikwazi ukufikelela kuyo ngoba ngaba inxaxheba edlalwa ngabantu abatsha ekukhokheleni kwisithili ayiphele lapha. And I am not only mentioning those who are leading at the district level, nabo badlala indima enkulu, but from the district executive committees esithili uyafumana ukuba ngaba bakhona abantu abatsha abazigildazi. So loo nto isinika into yoba ngaba si-district executive sithi siyazidla nge-Wesley Guild. Even in critical committees ezifana ne-stationing, ngoku besisesinodini u-vice was elected to be part of a stationing committee. So abantu abatsha besisithili badlala indima enkulu ubomi becawe iyonke. So simele ukuthi ke siyazidla ngaloo nto nge-Wesley Guild, because there are other entities within the youth unit. Kodwa indima edlalwa zii-guilders ithanda ugqama kakhulu. I think unobhala we-unit will agree with you. Even kwi-Mission Congress nakwi-conference, if you look at the delegation ye-Cape of Good Hope, the majority of the delegates and observers were guilders. So umhle umsebenzi wenziwayo. Ngokuthetha lo mazwi ke kunezinto esinqwenela into yoba ngaba abantu abatsha bangathatha inxaxheba kakhulu kuyo. Currently we're looking at building i-communications and media team for the district. So loo nto izawusincedisa ke to tell the stories of the district, share updates nomntu wonke okhoyo apha esithilini. So we are looking for people with skills with graphic design, be a photographer or videographer, social media management, writing and content creation, and ezinye nto. If you have those skills, kungakuhle into yoba mhlawumbi udibane nobhala sakhela ubukumkani bukaThixo sisonke. And ikhona le nto ithulileyo ke singafane sibone abantu abatsha bekuyo. We want to strengthen the district leadership pool. Xa sifuna to set up commissions or task team kwiindawo ezithile nezithile kwicandelo le-conflict resolution, legal minds, human resource, finance and counselling. Abantu abanezo zakhono nto siyacela mani badibane nonobhala nisiphe. We want to balance indlela esenza ngayo sisithili, kubekho umntu wonke, umntu omdala nomntu omtsha. And the last one entlweni ikhona izakhono zayo apha i-MMU ne-district lay training team ikuphulo of developing an online training hub. All our trainings in the Cape of Good Hope sifuna zibe ku website, umntu ayenze i-training ngepace ethandwa nguye right at the end ukwazi ufumana into acknowledge uba uyenzile le training. So we need web designers, people who have IT professional njalo njalo. So we ask Nobala mhlawumbi na council if you can help us ngalolo. The last one, the 5 imperative themes that merge with Mission Congress. And mhlawumbi kubalulekile ndithi nalapho Wesley Guild across the district circuits zithathe inxaxheba enkulu pilgrimage of renewal. I think you will remember when we were launching Days of the People and circuits zabe zisenza pilgrimage of renewal. Inxaxheba edlalwe this movement, I think incedile into yokuba ngaba the voices of young people xa sifika enkonveni okanye Solomon Mission Congress zibe zinokuvakala. So there were 5 key imperatives that emerged with Mission Congress. Anything in Yobangaba, when we do planning for 2026, from society to circuit, these are the key focus areas that we need to look at. Ukwenzele sithungeleni selweni linye, singayi left and right, silibandla. Uba ibandla liyangapha sambeni sonke, but I would like to start with a theme, your conference. The theme of conference in 2026 is obesity, relocated and repositioned for mission and ministry. Then a sub-theme, it is the other sides are waiting. I think it's nice to have creativity around the theme, but most of the time, when we are being creative around the theme, that's when we lose the essence. So in the Cape, we really encourage from society to second, let's stick to Lamazwi in Compass Nigayona. The theme acts as a compass for the year. Gutima Wisile. Isinike lendlela fanele siyahamba. Xa sipakanyela sisonke ingasinceda lonto. So the 5 key imperatives that emerged in Mission Congress. We talked about financial and administrative transformation. I'll be short. We're asking circuits and societies to shift from maintenance into mission, ensure that we are accountable as Malini, Sikuta's transparency as Malini, and also our budget must not be inward looking. The budget must reflect the mission is inside. The second thing is intentional leadership training. I think I will not repeat, but one thing that I will ask maybe Wesley Guild to do. Every time we elect Abandabacha to be in the leadership responsibility, don't elect and do not empower. At least make sure that when you elect, in the Landelayo, it's proper training on church governance, issues of ethical standards, but nezinye izinto ezibalulekileyo kakhulu ukwenzele iinkokheli zethu zibe sinokwazi ukuzixhobisa. The third one was ethical and spiritual renewal. There is a concern around ethical conduct in both laity and clergy in the Methodist Church. It was obvious in Mission Congress that this is one area that is in a concern guy. But I trust that our programs will be intentional. We will look at ethics and spiritual renewal. We gatherings around ethical issues. The fourth one is social engagement. Mission Congress, as we must reclaim our prophetic voice and stand with the oppressed. Silence in the face of injustice is no longer an option. No, if there are any injustice signs, programs mazikhwele phezu kwezi zinto zidla ukuhlala ngaphezu kokuba ngaba they can feed us thina singaphakathi. The last one, it's short, it's unity and mission. Unity and mission nayo earlier on kuthethiwe ngayo, but the key thing engibalulekile ku-unity kukuqala by understanding the priesthood of all believers, that concept yoba ngaba sonke sibiziwe, either you are a clergy or laity, but sonke sibizelwe enyobeni uba sizosebenza. And of course siyahlonipha into yokokuba ngaba there are those who are called for a specific purpose and they are set apart. But this unity calls for inclusion of laity in many areas. Bendivuyile kanibona brother Phumlani ezakwenza, I'm not sure the memorial service, amaxesha yabo mhlawumbi ayo memorial service, but the level of respect that we give to ministers as zizakwenza services, it is the very same respect that we call for when a young lay person ezawuqhuba inkonzo emasimnike yona. Akukho mjuda, akukho mgrike. We are all sharing equally, but the only difference, ministers are called for a specific purpose and they are set apart. So we call on all lay people to start embracing lay leadership. Lay leadership is not only at the district level, but it starts at the society level, the second level. In closing, one thing that we as a district executive, we plead for next year in organization, our programs must not be program-driven activities, but the programs must be programs ezinikubona. Kulento siyenzayo ingabi ngathi we are ticking the box, but i-events zethu mazikwazi ukufikelela kule ndawo sikuyo. Uba sise-Worcester and then there are social ills in Worcester, noko mayingaphumi le consultation ingakhange ifikelele kwinto ezinjalo, but ngalo mazwi kodwa simele ukuthi sisisithili siyaziqhenya ngomsebenzi owenziwa yiWesley Guild and ingaya kweminye iminyaka eyi-50. Thank you.
Masibulele ke district lay leader for those family and encouraging words. Indeed, what you just mentioned of that, we need to ensure that lay leaders, when I say lay leaders, I'm not referring to the number lay leader, but lay people that are leading or occupying positions of leadership. We need to invest more and empower and equip them. Thank you very much, Slam, for those words. Sister Usisake asisitsho bahlabeni asondele ikhona nje okuncane esireservele kuleli Usisake